if there is, it'll be right around the point just inside that quiet water. So I'm probably too high up here. Oh, no, there was two. I was kind of hoping that wouldn't happen, hey, because how many get him up? No. When one time you don't really, that was stupid, Robert. Oh, morning guys, welcome back to day 2, episode 2 of my bass, Wild River Bass Epic Extravaganza. It's looking good. It's just on 6 o'clock, sun's just coming up. A bit rusty this morning. We looked after our neighbour's dog. She very kindly bought me this crazy Uncle whiskey from Perth. Beautiful, nice and smooth. But feeling a bit rusty this morning because of it. Anyway, decided, because the action was so good yesterday in those pools, I'm going to leave the kayak for now. Just going to bolt down there and just hit them up again. I want to try a little bit of surface stuff there, and just see if that's working. If not, I'll go back to chatterbait and some crankbaits and we'll just have some fun like we did yesterday. So I just put a new tail on that chatterbait because she got pretty bashed up. And let's go. Let's get down there. No need for a long-winded intro. Let's get into it. I'll try this chatterbait again first off. I just put a new tail on, a new diamond bait junkie tail. Yesterday's one was a bit damaged. Just straighten everything up a bit. Second cast. I love this pool. I think this is my new favourite pool. He's off. He's keen to get home, this fella. Second cast. He was right along that rock wall there. Third cast! It's on again. Oh, this one. They all try to get around that corner. Huh? She has. No. Got me bricked. Oh, he's got me. Feel that seesawing line on the rock, eh? Got him. They literally do swim right around that point there. into that fast flowing water. You can feel it seesawing as he pulls and I pull back. Put him off though. It's another good one, look at this. Oh, that is a stud. Oh. Yeah, so I'll measure these fish later on. You can see that's on his tail there, and it's going up right up just to the end of the L there, that fella. Third cast. Chatterbait doing it again. Beautiful fish, can't get out of the condition they're in. A little bit skinny, some of them. I guess that's probably because of the migration, spawning run. But they're all, in lengthwise, they're great. Loving this spinnerbait. Good seeing it swim off, eh? Alright, so that's, what was that, third cast? 3 casts, 2 fish. Both magnificent bass. Oh, shot in the hole. On again. 4th cast. Don't you go over there, you bugger. Unbelievable bass fishing again. Can't get over it though. Unbelievable the size of these fish. I cannot get over. They're just uniformly all massive bass. 4th cast, fish 3. Once they get a sniff of that water, they are off. Like that. With any plastics, guys, when you're hooking fish, just always checking them. See, this is all buggered up, twisted now. More better. 3 fish so far, hey. It's only 6:30 in the morning. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that was a good hit. He pelted that right in along the rock here. Oh, what a hit. Oh, some weight in this one. Be careful because he's going for that ledge again. Yeah, I got him inside. Yeah, here we go. You're right. That all go right on that rock line there sitting. Here he comes. Look at that. Oh, they're all dusters too, eh? Like they're fighting hard. Fighting super hard. Look at the size of this. Hey, look. He's up there too, isn't he? He's just short of the end of that L there. Do my little rock crawling again. That's where I was fishing yesterday, right down there. Trying to avoid this mossy stuff here, this orange moss. Yeah, once it gets on your shoes, I get that shit off. Rock. There we go. Bit of grip. This pool, you remember, absolutely fired yesterday. Absolutely fired. But from day to day, it's obviously going to change, isn't it? All that water up in there. Oh, right! Oh, as soon as I hit the water, I got hit. There you go. Second cast next spell. Let me down a bit from yesterday. Oh, there's another one with him. No wonder there's so many fish there. Probably didn't come up on the GoPro, but there's another bass swimming with him. You don't see that very often. That probably reflects just the sheer numbers of the fish down here. Tiniest bit of rock here to sit on, hey? Oh, that's a solid one. Solid one from the second pool. Get a mate with him too, eh? Oh, that leader's not real good. There you go, guys. So, that is a bloody good fish. There you go. Another good one. It's hard to let them go probably from this angle. Back line there from them rocks. So I should, yeah. Smart person, after feeling that, would go back up to their bag and change their leader. That's what someone with half a brain would do. Because if you hook a big one, or a big eastern cod jumps on, that leader is gone. Yep, there we go. Third cast, isn't it? He's supposed to follow that, he ate it right here. Easy on that leader. How good. A little bit of spunk, this little fella. I think there's got to be, what, 6 fish already this morning? Hey. Yeah, I reckon that's number 6 for the day. Too good. Too good. Wow. Pull in there. I honestly think that these the fish that are hitting it sometimes right in the middle of the pool aren't really sitting in the middle of the pool. They're just still sitting in the eddies, but they follow it out. No one's sitting in the eddy. Look at him go. Oh, service. Oh shit, that's a good one. Yeah, that current quick. In that current, I've got 10-pound frayed leader that I should have changed, and a solid bass on the other end. That colour down there and that clear bit of water, oh, God, they're good fish. Fish 7? Fish 7? The hits are just fantastic. That's one thing I love about bass, is just they really crunch it, hey. And these guys, like I said, they're particularly voracious this trip. They're really bashing the shit out of these little. That's number 7. Pop that out, mate. Number 7 on the chatterbait. Over the other side of the pool that time. Check your tails. Right. Yep. Number 8. Oh, he's on the bottom. Going off. Show your face. Oh, this one's a bruiser. They're fighting like snappers, like I said in that last episode. Never had bass go so well as these fellas. This thing down there is using that current. Oh, it's a solid one, that one. It's a solid one. That's a solid one. Oh, that's a solid one. Come on. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, that might be the biggest of the trip. I think that's bigger than, I know there's some bruises yesterday too, isn't it? It's a hard call. How's that for a shot, did he? Epic fight, mate. Oh, that's solid. That's solid, look. Oh, that is up there with the biggest of the trip. No wonder he went so hard. Look at that. I'm trying to get it. That's a rookie move. And I'll take that chatterbait out first, then if he jumps, I'm losing a lure. Look at that. Trying to not fall in here, film, hold me rod on hand, but I just really want to give you guys a good shot of this fella, just to appreciate the length on this thing. The girth, I mean, there's the reel for a little bit of perspective, hopefully. So he's right up on that purple line on that rod. We'll measure him. That's a stud one. That is a stud. Thank you, mate. When they make a stud like that, when you let them go, they're good fish. Alright, I'm going to move on. I'll just do that next pool deal, next 2 pools I did yesterday. Just a quick session this morning before bringing. It's not even 7 o'clock yet, so I've got 8 class bass in the bag already. Let's go. This is not the pool I was after or I was heading to. This sounds a little bay here. It looks a bit shallow. This is a really fast water running out there. I reckon there's going to be one here. If there is, it'll be right around the point just inside that quiet water. So I'm probably too high up here. Oh, no, there was 2. I was kind of hoping that wouldn't happen, hey, because how many get him up? No. When one time you don't really, that was stupid, Robert. Why did you do that? And look at the size of it. But I was right, he was right at that point, eh? Somehow now I've got to get down there because I refuse to lose my chatterbait. Why were you so dense? That was stupid. Good example of not what to do, hey. But I'm so high up here. I reckon I can maybe step down here. Bloody hell. These rocks are slippery here. I'm going to do that. Where's his bass? Oh, shit. That's probably a good example of needing to get prepared before you cast, get in position. Otherwise, shit like this happens. Still got him. Oh, slippery as bastard. Have I got him? Mate, you've been a well done lucky as bass, haven't you? Oh, that's such a good fish. I just wasn't going to risk trying to haul that up on 10-pound frayed leader with my one and only sexy chatterbait on there. Hey buddy, we're going to have a look at where he was. You can see that fast line water out there. Another waterfall just down to the right there. But I thought there's got to be one. It'll be just inside this point here. In this bit of calm and stuff. As soon as the chatterbait went past that, have a look at, holy gee, oh. Look at the size of this thing. Actually, oh no. See my frame? You probably can't see it, but take my word for it, this leader, should have changed it last night. It is buggered. But it was worth the climb down because have a look at that. That just fell out there then. He's going to jump off in a second. Mate, you're a beauty. You're this sneaky little hidey hole right there behind. You are a beauty. Well done. Look at that for a fish. Come on. I don't know whether there'll be one more. At least I'm at the right water level now. I don't really want to get it out in that flow, just there like that. Is that 9 fish? I can go for 10 fish and go and have some breakfast. Oh, there's 10. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh, mate, he followed that in, huh? Like, followed it in. Oh, he's dropping on that rock. No, there goes me chatterbait. No. Ah, should have bought 2. Should have changed the leader. No. My chatterbait, my leader. Oh, that hurts. Like, you wouldn't believe. That was a solid fish, hey? Like, I hooked him here. He's run back out around there into the fast water against it and gone up and upstream. I could feel it. Oh, that chatterbait, I really wanted to retire that one. So, I'm going to change up. I sadly don't have another chatterbait. I have got a spinnerbait, so Give this purple spinnerbait a go. Righto. So after that debacle, got my spinnerbait on. The black span spinnerbait. I think I got one fish out of this pool here yesterday. Beautiful wrap. Spinnerbait works. What I did there was cast up, a bit of rock and fill, eddy behind it, wrappers either side. Sure enough, he's sitting at the eddy. He's at the bottom of that waterfall. Oh, that's problematic. He's caught in that water. He's side on, foul hooked. Well, that line's gone around him. I'm just playing him up a bit. You know, this side, he's just in that wrong part of that current. Come on. The line's under so much pressure, if it bumps a rock, he's gone. There you go. It's in a great spot now, just over there. Oh, no. Come on. Give me this quiet stuff there. We might have half a chance to actually bag this night. There's that one file in there. Stick still for 2 seconds more. Thank you. Spinnerbait works alright after all. There we go. That is number 10. Beautiful fish. On back band spinnerbait in that purple colour. I think it's the smallest spinnerbait one you can buy. Check that still going. Action. So it was right there, that rock in the middle, there's an eddy behind it, quiet water, just sitting in that he was. Yep, there's his mate. Right in the eddy, eh? Steady eddy. Yeah, actually go that way. Oh, he's got me on the rocks too. Bloody bruises fish, tell you what. Fish the eddies. Oh, that's a good one. Hey. I'm playing him up against that current into there. Bob your uncle, don't go that way. That's number 11. So I think I got 32 yesterday all up. So what's that? I did Mascot Society, which is vegetable level. 43. 43 bass. Oh, it's gonna fuck me spinnerbait. That hurt. That's why you don't hold them like that. There goes my camera. I'm high sticking. It's all going wrong. The only thing a little bit difficult about spinnerbait is I'm not gonna. Gotta be in there. Gotta be. Yep, knew it. Oh no, it took me spinnerbait. Ah, that hurt. I left my bag back. I thought I'd be smart leaving my bag back there so I didn't have to carry all my stuff. Wasn't smart, how's that? Oh, my spinnerbait down. Oh, hang on. Just when you think your situation's too desperate to go on, you find your storm hot and top. Ow! Oh, yep. a big rock over there, you hook them and then just straight under it, eh? Right, going back with this minute, mate. Oh, yep, there we go. Oh, wrong side. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. Oh, it's all right, he's come back. Come back this side. Fish number 12 on the bass man spinnerbait in white. Oh, he's trying to get back on that rock wall there. There he is. Oh, it's a bruiser. Look at that. Oh. Oh, Jesus. The size of this thing. Gee, look. This is number 12 for the morning session. That was on the spinnerbait. Smallest one I think you get, can get in the range. I'm just about to give up hope on it, but he has certainly found it. He certainly found it. What a beautiful fish. 12 in a morning session, all like that. And when I say morning session, it's just past 8. I didn't get down here till must have been just a bit before 7. You take out all the walking time, and you get quality fish like that after yesterday's afternoon session. Didn't expect it to happen again. Right, mate. That was special. Thanks, dude. That'll do me for the morning run. 12 fish all up, a couple of good ones in there, probably 1 or 2 borderline best fish of the trip. I'll measure it when I get back. That big sonja went that purple line there on the rod. So whatever that is in centimetres, I'll find out. We'll mark him down as the best fish of the trip so far. Can't ask better than that. Only 8:15. We're now back to breakfast. We'll see about this afternoon session. We'll either come back and walk the pools again, or maybe I'll sit the kayak in. It's a little bit quieter this morning. It's hard to say whether that's just the morning bite in comparison to yesterday afternoon. Yeah, can't beat that. 32 fish or something in a couple of hours. So, not sure. We're going to have some food, have a break, think about it. See you this afternoon. Righto guys, we're back to day 2, afternoon session. What am I going to do? As you saw this morning, I got a bit bashed up on my spinnerbaits and chatterbait and stuff like that, so I'm down to 3 spinnerbaits left, and I've got a surface lure on there, but I'll take that off. Like I said, it doesn't really work in the rapids. Anyway, let's get organised, get down there, get stuck into it. Day 2, afternoon session, let's see how we go. See the world's right. Come on, just want 6. Funny I just switched off, eh? We've got rain coming, it's just started rain. Could be barometric pressure falling.
Could be the day I had on them yesterday. Who knows though. But it's certainly not the same bite. Not at all. It's just like they disappeared, eh? Might be the fact that I donated my chatterbait. I don't have that real cacophony of sound going on with the lure that I did with the chatterbait. Don't know. Myriad things, I'd say, potentially. Oh, there we go. There we go. There was one there after all. Just a little bit harder for him, I think, to find this spinnerbait. Oh no! No, still got it. Got it. Drag on that. Seen him yet. Using the current. Oh. I was using that current. Good fish. Shit. Quite this long. Look at him out there. He's trying to get that current. Oh no, if he goes out that fall, he's gone. Try and put the brakes on him as best I can with 10 pound, hey? This colour. Look at that. That's wild river bass fishing for you guys at its best. This boat means 5 to go, and I've got 50 fish. Come here, buddy. It's quite difficult just getting them up here, though. That is a sight. Quite the sight. Woohoo! Afternoon session. First fish and a plunker. Oh, it's a lot bigger now getting out of the water. What a fish. Yeah, that's the right way to hold him. No. One sec, mate. Hey, hey, hey. Give you some idea of the size in that way. I had one that went to this line, this morning, so he's short of it, but that is a beautiful bass. In anyone's book, that's a cracker. So I've got 5 to go. That's the first one of this afternoon session. I'll try to get them all if I can today, because I think it's forecast to rain a lot tomorrow. May make things a bit difficult. What a beautiful fish. Beautiful bass. All right. So that's on that white, small size bassman spinnerbait. Letting it sink a little bit more. Just trying to get it down a bit. Bite's a lot slower. A little touch there. Yeah. Mr. Hooks. Come on. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there's the second one. He tapped that a few times. Tapped that a few times. Oh, take it all on. Hey, little fella this way. Well, when I say little, it's little by this river's standards, which anywhere else. You'd be saying, actually, he's not that small, he's a good fish, eh? Come on, buddy. Only a little one from this river. A little bit of parasol in their skin. See it, splotchy. I think they're a bit. Some of them have come out a little bit under condition, but I think that's because of their spawning run they've just finished. Like I said to you yesterday, I think they're sort of holding in these pools now the run's over. They're trying to get back up river. There you go. So, I've got 3 to go to hit my 50 for this trip. Nice little battler. Anyway. Oh, there's one in there. That little back eddy. Oh shit. What side of that rock you going on, mate? Oh, another gift. Encourage you not to get out that far slow. This is a hard pool to land. I mean, there's so much water moving. Yeah, there he is. It was a good fat one, that one. He's a fatty. Fuck, that's a big one. Oh. Get up there. Good one. It's a good fish. Come here. So just leveled. There you go. Beautiful. Now there's a back eddy up there, pretty shallow. I didn't think there'd be a fish in there. I just thought I'd have a quick flick. Sure enough, he's in there. I'll measure all these when we get back. Beautiful. Just let that spinnerbait sink a bit more to get the nibs. Beautiful. 2 to go until I get me 50, hey. Oh. Yeah, mate, thank you. That way. Pumped. Really nice.
guys, so that's it for day 2, episode 2 of my freshwater bass fishing extravaganza. So I've just run the calculations. Day 1, that afternoon session, I got 32. This morning I got 12, and this afternoon I got 4. So that puts me on 48 fish. That's right, isn't it, Puff? So tomorrow the target is for episode 3, day 3. I just want 2. If I can get 2, that brings up 50, and I reckon that's fantastic for a bass. And we're going to celebrate, and if that happens, I'll make love to you. How's that? All right, very exciting. Okay, so we'll see you next episode, which will be tomorrow, and hopefully we can find 2. Bye for now. You don't want me to make love to you?
Cold.
You don't want me to make love to you?
Yeah, but cold though. Well, how can you make love to freeze when it's cold?
I'll warm you right up.